Okay, what we have here is the Taj Mahal of Roman noodles. They're supposed to be the best of the best. I have no idea if this is true. I came in today and I thought, well, I'd give it a shot. Now these are pronounced as Nissin RAOH Miso. Miso's being the flavor. They do make a soy sauce flavor too. They're made in Japan. And you have to buy them in a box of 6 on Amazon. You really can't get them anywhere else. They are $2.34. And they weigh about 4 ounces per package. Now, I'm going to attempt to cook this in my camp set. And this here is green onions that I dehydrated. Is what that is. I'm going to add that to it too. So, I'm going to put that to the side. And let's get this out. I'm going to use the big container. So we'll give that a shot. Make sure I open this first. I think this is a Primus stove, is what it is. I tend to like this one better because the stand is a lot wider. Okay. Now I need 2 cups of water, is what it says I need. So my measurements are in a little pot, and 16 ounces is 2 cups. So that's 15, and I guess we'll go a little bit more. So then we'll take this one, and we'll pour it in the big one. And there we go. So now, I want to cook my camera up there. So now, while that cooks, and I guess we could put the this lid on, which in turn will make it cook faster. Now, as I'm chatting here, I'll show you the saturated fat, cholesterol, and stuff like that. It is high in salt. So then I'm going to cut this. And the idea with this is to cook this out in the bush when I'm camping. That's why I'm using this stove. So there's nothing in here. All I've got is these noodles, which are apparently freeze-dried. My thing turned off. So there's the noodles. They look a lot different than Roman noodles. And then it also comes with this humongous package. Much bigger than regular Roman noodles. So yeah. So we'll try that. Now to save you guys the boredom, I'll fast forward this video to where the water's boiling. Okay, now that we're boiling, I'm going to pick this up. Hopefully without burning myself. And I'm going to put a little bit in this pot, because I want that I want that for the soup base. So let's start this again. Keep that warmed up. Let's put all this at the bottom. Okay. And then pour this in here. And this, we're going to put in there. So there's our soup base. And then the idea is, it smells like ginseng is in it. Okay. Now this is supposed to go for a couple minutes. And you can tell the noodles are made a lot better. But for only weighing 4 ounces, and if it tastes really good, it might be worth taking. And you don't want your broth in with the noodles when the noodles are cooking. You put the broth in after. And it's getting there. I guess they're supposed to be made out of whole wheat, which is better than the regular Roman noodles you buy at Walmart. These do look better. Taking a little while. There we go. Much better. So cook a little bit. I'm kind of got it going on a simmer, if you noticed. So now, we will add our flavor to it. A little more. Kick it up a notch. And I guess we could add some green onions because I dehydrated them myself. I dehydrate onions, mushrooms, vegetables in my dehydrator, and then I throw an absorbent inside which pulls the lid down and keeps them fresh. So that's looking pretty good. Nissin RAOH Miso. Supposed to be the king of all Roman noodles. Which would be nice, I mean, because at only 4 ounces, you know, on a 3-day trip, you throw 3 in there. That really is not too bad at all. If they taste good. If they taste good. A lot of people eat these with chopsticks. I'm trying to do it when I'm out camping. There we go. This stove is very delicate. Okay, I think that's fine. We're going to turn that off. And then I'm going to try and pick it up. And hopefully I don't make a complete mess. Actually, I put it in here because it's pretty hot. There we go. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now you guys can excuse me, but I don't eat on camera. So. I can't put my finger on the taste. At all. At all. But the juice does taste really good. It's got like a nutty flavor to it. Well, I like the broth way better than ramen. Ramen, however you say it. Oh yeah. So, let's see what these noodles taste like. They're hot, a lot firmer to eat. You definitely want to let this cool off. The noodles do taste better. They taste a lot better. So, I've got 2 thumbs up for this. I'll have a link in the bottom. You want to go pick some up for the Nissin Roman, and you can check it out yourself. But it is pretty amazing and it tastes pretty good. So there's a quick review on that. Like I said, links in the bottom. You want to go pick up some. This is way better. I'm definitely going to be buying a couple more boxes and putting them away. I'll catch you guys on the next one.